After the release of the Huawei's triple folding phone, it has caused a global sensation. Huawei has truly amazed everyone with this launch, especially since the company had been struggling before. The US left no stone unturned in trying to wipe out Huawei, but despite all of that, Huawei has once again reclaimed its name on the global stage. Huawei knew that to regain international attention, it had to do something extraordinary, and it has done just that. Now, Huawei's name is being heard everywhere once again. Anyway, the biggest loser due to the Huawei's new phone is Apple. Apple's phones didn't sell in China the way they were expected to. Just compare the pictures of the Apple and the Huawei stores after their launches. Huawei's store was crowded with people, while Apple's store was nearly empty. Not only that, but Apple hasn't fully revealed its AI system Apple Intelligence in the iPhone 16 series just yet. The delay in this feature has also led to the criticism of Apple. Even on the Chinese platform Weibo, users have started a hashtag iPhone 16 Chinese version doesn't support AI yet, and you'll be surprised to know that this hashtag has gained 11.33 million views and over 1500 comments. Apple has been saying for a while that it will launch the Apple Intelligence soon, but it hasn't happened yet. And did you know that after the launch of the iPhone 16, Apple's market share also dropped by 1.7% instead of increasing? The main reason is that the iPhone 16 failed to excite investors the way it should have. Not only that, but people now have started comparing the design of the iPhone 16 to the Huawei's 2-year-old phone, the Huawei Nova 10 SE, because Huawei launched a similar design 2 years ago. Anyway, the thing is, Apple Intelligence will launch in the US iPhones next month, and we might see a boost in iPhone sales after that. But for now, Huawei has left Apple behind both globally and in the Chinese market. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.